What a morning. It's September 11th, and that's a day I always remember. We all should remember that for the tragedy that took place. But it's also been a great elk hunting day for me in past years. Today's no exception. I followed a herd at daybreak. They went up. I thought they were going one way. They went the other way. I had to run all the way around the top of this basin to cut them off, drop down on top of them. This bull, I've been chasing him for 3, 4, 5 days now. I don't even know. I'm out here on 5, 6 days of hunting, and he just does not bugle. And then I heard the bugle again, about every 10 minutes. Dropped down on top of him, and there was a bull in front of me. Was it the herd bull? I don't think so. I think it was a nice satellite, a 6-point, about a 300 class satellite bull, raking a tree. I've always dreamed of shooting a bull raking a tree. So I took my time, step by step by step, got right up to him within 25 yards, leaned in to shoot. He spotted me and bolted. Talk about bummed. But I knew he didn't smell me. I knew he didn't know what I was, and I could hear the herd just below me. So I kept moving on, come around the corner of this hill, right here, this hill I'm sitting on right now. And I can hear bulls fighting and then rubbing just right here off to my right. So creep up over the hill, and here comes a huge set of antlers right around the corner, right down slope of me. I've already knocked an arrow because I know stuff's about to happen. And that bull stops at like 12 yards from me. He sees me. He bolts. I mew like a cow, come to full draw, and he stopped at approximately, looking down the hill there, he was probably about 30 yards, and I have a single pin sight, and I always keep it set at 30 yards, thanks to the advice of my good friends at Black Hills Archery that I learned long ago, and I released just in the instant he stopped, because he quartered slightly away, tucked it in. The shot looked perfect. He ran down through a little gully below me, stopped, staggered, and fell. That was about a half hour ago. He did make one move right after that, but I've been sitting here for 30 minutes trying to keep calm, and now I'm pretty sure he's down there and dead. This is the first big hunt for my Matthews Triax. I love this bow. All spot and stalk, well, listen and stalk. I have been doing some calling, but these bulls are call shy. They're not wanting other bulls to come in on them. So, the sun's coming over the mountain, as you can see behind me. I've been coming into this same basin for 6 days. This is day 7, and it's 1,000 feet straight up. Vertical as you can get to get in here. But I think it paid off. You gonna go with me? Let's go see what we got down here.